Hey guys, RoonPicker here from another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Grind by GeorgiaJim. You can see he made his out of a Sargent Assa alloy, and you see he engraved his initials on there, and he also engraved his initials on the side of the lock body right here. And we got the mummified key here. And so we're gonna throw this in the vise and see if we can get it open today. That should be good. And zoom in. Whoop. Let's move this up a little bit. There we go. Now you guys can see. We're gonna use, this is 50, okay, 50 thousandths. We'll bring out our hook 7 standard hook and our SS Dev. That should cover all our basic needs. And let's see if we can get this open today. Started into a false set. Can't seem to get, oh, there's a little bit more from here. Switch over. There we go. Getting slowly deeper and deeper. Now I'm not getting anything. Definitely putting up a fight. Let's see. Lost it. Must be overset something or something because I'm not getting any feedback from anything. There we go. That was a nice. Okay, let me try. Is that stuck? I can't tell. Feels like it might be good. Let's poke around a little bit more in here and see what we got. Now we're getting somewhere. Must be close now. There we go. And we got it open. Let's go take this off of Zoom. You can see that we are picked. And I'm going to do a little bit something different this time. I am going to unmummify the key, but I'm going to skip to the end of the gutting process. I'm going to try, a goal of mine is try to get the length of these videos down to closer to 2 minutes if possible. See, the key does work flawlessly. And so give me your guys' feedback, what you guys want to see. I know some of you said fast forward it, some of you said skip it. I've noticed a decrease in views and engagement, so I'm trying to keep these interesting for you guys. So we get these off the back. Get our follower out. Maybe it won't cut it out. Maybe I'll leave it in. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Okay, tweezers, let's organize these. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Nice pin work. I really like pin 2. Pin 2 looks awesome. Pin 1 looks awesome. Oh, there's a spring. Pin 2. There's spring. Pin 3 looks crazy. Holy crap. You guys need to see these pins here in a second. Maybe I will leave the gutting in. I don't know. I'll have to find. You know what? Maybe I'll do what Butcher's Block does and just put some music in. Maybe that's what I'll do. Alright, we got all the pins out. All the chambers on here are threaded. Let's see, any work done to this? No work done to the Bible, so the Bible is stock. Let's get our key in here. And like always, I'll bring you guys over here and you guys can see what we have. Alrighty. So you can see we got some crazy looking pins from GeorgiaJim. A lot of tapered pins. That key pin on pin 3 is like a double-ended sharp one. I don't even know what to call that, but that's crazy looking. And you can see here is the key right there. And then you can see all the chambers in here are threaded. And no work was done to the Bible. So that is Grind by GeorgiaJim. Hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.